If you want to check out one of the best pet drinking water fountains that I found around, let's unbox this ORSDA D30 together, get it all set up, test it all out, and see what we think. So let's go ahead and unbox this right here and start from there. Okay, first thing we need to do is go ahead and open this thing up. So I have this little guy right here. We're just gonna go ahead and open up this little sticker and we'll see what we got inside and see how easy this thing is going to be to go ahead and do it. Oh, pump maintenance. It says please clean the pump every 1 to 2 weeks to extend the life. Perfect. Perfect. Let's see what we got inside. Oh, we got cleaning supplies, it looks like. It's well bubble wrapped too to go ahead and protect it. So we can go ahead and get rid of the box. The box is gone. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this part right here too. So we got cleaning supplies. So I'm guessing that we can go ahead and clean this whole thing, including the pump with it. That's nice that that's included. I've had a few of these ones here before. None of them included cleaning supplies. None of them have included cleaning supplies before. Okay, so we got our replacement filters. So you do get 6 in here. Very important to go ahead and replace the filters regularly with it. I also have a link in the description below if you need to go ahead and find those replacement filters. Okay, so let's go and undo this right here with it. So it should be pretty easy to kind of put it all together. On the inside, we do have our user manual. We have our mat. I'm hoping that this is our pump. So let's see what we got in here. Right there is our pump. There's our pump. So let's go ahead and get this here all installed next. Now that we have it all unboxed. Let's do the install. So let's throw it on the mat first. I always like to do that. Just in case we have water going all the way around. At least I have the mat down, right? So the first thing we're going to do is actually go ahead and take off the lid with it, and then we're going to go ahead and install the pump. So I went ahead and untangled everything to make it a little bit easier for us. Pretty easy to do. It has these little suction cup things on the bottom. We're just going to go ahead and kind of line those right there up on the bottom and give it a little bit of a push. And then we're going to go ahead and just put this here directly through here like this, and we'll push this here down in here like that with it. So it makes it kind of a nice watertight seal on the inside with it as well. Now, we can go ahead and actually hook up the backpack here if we want to into our cord with it. We're not going to plug this in yet with it. Okay, so now we just need to go ahead and put this right here on, and it's going to go ahead and line up with this with it. Now, you can actually take this here out, and you can go ahead and replace it with a different one if you want to too. So it all depends on what kind of waterfall you want going on with us. Just go ahead and throw this one here in here for right now. And now we can go ahead and just kind of line that right there up just like that. Now, what we could do is go ahead and throw some water in there, which will go ahead and take the lid back off again. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll go ahead and fully install the lid. Now, there is a minimum and maximum line built in here. This does handle 67 ounces or 2 liters of water altogether. So let's go ahead and put as much water as I brought with me for this. And now let's just go ahead and put the lid back on here just like that. Now I will say on the filter itself, there is a filter in here. Inside this here, right there's the filter. On the side of this here, there's actually a little gauge on how much water you want coming out of here. So that is where you're going to go ahead and actually adjust that right there with it. Let's go ahead and plug it all in. There we go. There it is. So look how nice that is. So we can actually go ahead and adjust which way it's going with it. I had a little bit off right there, but look at that. Really, really nice. Pet water fountain right there for you. Great way to go ahead for dogs and cats with it. It does have a little drainage system in here. It goes back through it. Okay, so I went ahead and actually uninstalled the cord because on the side over here, you're gonna find this gauge. I do wanna go ahead and take this off real quick. So you can kind of see this gauge over here. You can actually choose how much water you want pushing out of this filter with it going into this fountain and all the way up through. So that right there was the maximum. I went ahead and changed it to minimum. I'm gonna go ahead and push that right there back down. Put the lid back on. And we're gonna go ahead and see what the minimum looks like. Now this is gonna be the lowest level possible. There we go. Which is great because it's really, really nice and quiet. Very, very quiet. So that way, if you do have an issue with a dog or a cat that, you know, it's worried about noise or worried about like a wall of water kind of splashing around at them, this here will be a great option right there for you too as well. But a great stainless steel water fountain right here, nice and sanitary. It does include 6 additional filters with it and cleaning supplies also, and a great couple different options to choose from. So hopefully you guys found this helpful, and I hope you enjoy it as well. That cat water fountain is so amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed that setup, unboxing, and review of that awesome cat water fountain. If you guys want to check it out, it is in the description down below. But before you head over there, make sure you guys also check out this video right here, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here too as well to go ahead and check out more of my videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.